Your chiller plant room operators work hard to keep the building cool. They are professionally trained and know how to work with the BMS to smartly sequence chillers and cooling towers, so they get the job done in the best way possible with the tools they have. Also, they make sure the expensive equipment is operated according to the manual. But the question is, are they aware of performance deviations when these happen? And how efficiently should the chiller run at today's operating conditions? The maintenance engineers may be following a preventive maintenance schedule, which means they have a checklist of components to check and actions to perform at certain dates or after a set number of running hours. After ticking all the boxes on the checklist, the job is signed off. For example, they check the refrigerant level. Then, after the service visit, there is a refrigerant leakage that seriously affects efficiency. Will this go unnoticed until the next visit? Operators and maintenance engineers will love this chiller monitor. Rather than feeling watched by Big Brother, they come to realize that timely resolved issues with regards to performance drift and predictive maintenance are essential for worry-free and energy-efficient operation, which means saving energy and cost.